I'm Miguel Gomez from sales, located in Spain. I will be introducing this case for you. This is, on that time, it was the world's largest wellboat, designed specifically for salmon aquaculture. It looks small in the picture, but it's real big. It's around 84 meters length and 30 meters wide. So it's a big piece of engineering of a boat, only fully dedicated only for aquaculture. So it's a big business indeed. It has been supplied with Arrow plant designed and manufactured by our custom Quantum, located in Galicia, Spain. So let's get on board this ship with me. What has been installed on board? Our customer Quantum has a manufacturer design installed for them a 5,000 cubic meters a day plant made with Danfoss high pressure pumps, energy recovery devices, and drives. The plant is made with 4 high pressure pumps, 4 APP65, and 4 energy recovery devices, 4 iSafe 70s. The plant is divided in 2 trains just to facilitate performance. Look at this piece of art of engineering our customer Quantum has made on board this ship, because space is always important, but it is even more important on board a ship. Space is very limited, and as most of you know, as I guess that you are related to desalination industry, you know that desalination plants gets a lot of space. So as space is one of the critical points on aspects on board a ship, by using our pumps and energy recovery devices, they are having the most compact system in the market. And it's not even only the most compact system, it's also the most efficiency system. When we are talking about desalination, we are always talking about a high consumer system. So we talk about electricity price. On board a ship, there is no energy supply. The energy is produced by a diesel engine. So the most efficient is the system, the less diesel is consumed. So it's a pretty important aspect to have in mind. So by using the most energy efficiency system in the market, the end user is saving tons of money at the end of the year, or liters of diesel. Talking about desalination, when we talk about land-based desalination, operation conditions are important. But operation conditions are even more important when we are talking about a ship. Ships are moving around. Seawater temperature is different during the year. And as the ship is moving around, the salinity is also different depending on how far from the shore is the ship. So by using our pumps and iSafes that are volumetric systems, as my colleague Kevin will introduce you the technology later on, you will see that this system can adapt to any operation condition. It doesn't matter if the temperature of the seawater goes 10 degrees higher, 10 degrees lower, if they need to increase recovery, decrease recovery. Our customer Quantum has manufactured and designed this system just to adapt to any operation condition just by pushing one button. So very nice job did by them.